Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to the new video of chapter number 3. Today we are going to see resistivity of various materials. As we know that physics has classified materials in three types. First one we have conductor, which conduct number of charges, means it has ability to flow number of charges. Semiconductors are one of the nice discovery by physics. Naturally materials are available for semiconductors and we can prepare in laboratory also, but in naturally we are considering silicon and germanium, which is one of the finest material available easily on earth. And the last one is insulator means what? No ability to flow number of charges, hence such a material is known as insulators. Okay, now let's see how physics is defined. So depending on the resistivity, all the three materials are defined. Okay, in an increasing order of their values, metals have low resistivities in the range of 10 raised to minus 8 ohm meter to 10 raised to minus 6 ohm meter. Okay, low resistivity. At the other end, insulators like ceramics, rubber, plastics having resistivities up to 10 raised to 18. Okay, up to 10 raised to 18 times greater than the metals or more. Okay, now let's talk about semiconductors. So for semiconductors, resistivity characteristically decrease with rise in temperature. Means what? For semiconductor, everything is depend on only single word, which is temperature. So for each and everything, for each and every material, resistivity is different in semiconductors, especially for semiconductors. Okay, now let's see how we are solving such a name resistance. Okay, so resistance has two types. First one is wire bound resistor and the second one is carbon resistor. Okay, now let's take about wire bound resistance. So regarding wire bound resistance, resistors are made by winding the wire of an alloy, okay, with manganese, constantan and nichrome. At the time of practical, I will show you this wire bound resistance we have in our laboratory. Okay, and basically over there we are using constantan and manganese coils. Okay, second one we have carbon resistors. Carbon resistors in higher range are made mostly from carbon. Okay, the resistors have a setup of coaxial colored rings on them whose significance are listed in table 3.2. For that you have to see textbooks. Okay, in textbook you can easily observe wire bound resistance. Now see how to find value of resistance. For that I made a simple equation over here to find resistance if we have no electronic material or electronic instrument is available. In that case, by using simply this value, that means this equation, we can easily find the value of resistance. Okay, in this say A represents 10th value of the, it means first color. B represents unit value, that means second color, and 10 raised to power C means it represents third color in the power of 10th. Okay, and fourth band also present in the resistance, and that one we have to consider as a tolerance, capacity tolerance, how much amount of thing getting. Okay, now let's see table 3.2. So in table 3.2, this is the color code resistance: black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white, gold, silver and no color. Okay, numbers is also given over here from 0 to 9. Okay, and multiplier is also given 1, after that 10 raised to 1, 10 raised to 2, 10 raised to 3, up to we have 10 raised to minus 2. For tolerance means for fourth color or fourth band we have 5, 10 and 20. It is given in percentage. Okay, now let us find out some resistance over here. Resistance means value of resistance. So over here you can see that we have one image of color code resistance. Okay, this thing, this resistance is also known as color code resistance. Over here see, first band we have which is indicated with red color, second band which is also indicated with red color, third band which is also indicated with red color also, and the last band is indicated with silver color. Now by using our equation, let us try to solve what is the value of this resistance. Okay, now this is simple thing. If it is very hard, if you have, in that case, how to remember all the values. Okay, for that we have a simple what is called a simple sentence. By using this simple sentence you can easily remember all the color value as well as name of the color. And the sentence over here we have, B.B. Roy goes to Bombay via Gateway. Okay, now as we are following a decimal system, so from in decimal system we have 0 to 9 values. Okay, and each and every word represent one color. Okay, that color over here I already written: B for black, B for brown, R for red, O for orange, Y for yellow, goes to, this is a one complete word, G for green, Bombay. Here also we are going to consider this full word. B for blue, again see over here we have black, over here we have brown, and then we have a blue. Via, for via, V for violet, G for gray, and W for white. And then fourth one we have no color. That tolerance is also given over here. For gold, tolerance is plus or minus 5%, silver plus or minus 10%, and for no color it is plus or minus 20%. Okay, now again let's recall our example. Over here we have 3 red color and 1 silver color, and for that we have to find out value of this resistance. So let's find out by using our equation, R equal to AB into 10 raised to C. Okay, so how to find, let's see. Over here R equal to, we have for red, I think so we have, let's see, for red what we have, number 2. Okay, so over here 2, then for B again we have 2 into 10 raised to C, again we have 2. Okay, means what, 2 into 100. Okay, equal to what, 2200 plus or minus last color, that is silver. So for silver here we have a tolerance plus or minus 10%. So here we have to write plus or minus 10%. Okay, so it is 2.2 kilo ohm value we have for resistance. Okay, 2.2 kilo ohm we have a value of resistance. Okay, plus or minus 10% percentage means what, if such a current increase by 10% through this resistance or decrease by 10% through resistance, till then this resistance can tolerate the variation. If it goes beyond and above 10%, in that case it may be damaged. Okay, so this is simple explanation how to find resistance by using color code. I hope you understand this theory properly. Okay, for today itna hi. Till then just wait for next video. Till then, bye bye.